In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sprint panel to add stories to sprints and to move stories from one sprint to another. First, click on the home perspective and then select the appropriate project. Then point to the planning perspective and select the backlog view. To open the sprint panel, click on the Sprints button on the far right of the menu. The sprint panel consists of the name of the sprint, the sprint dashboard, which provides at-a-glance information regarding sprint health, capacity, and story estimates, and the user story listing, which lists all of the stories in the selected sprint. You can select which sprint and associated user stories you'd like to view by selecting the sprint from the drop-down menu. To add a user story to the sprint, simply drag and drop the appropriate story from the backlog over to the sprint panel. As you add stories to the sprint, you'll notice the dashboard begins to change and will update you if there are any issues with story health. In this example, you can see that we have one story without points and one, possibly the same story, without an owner. The story grid is editable, so we can fix those entries by double-clicking on them and making the appropriate changes. Finally, if you'd like to move a story to another sprint or back to the backlog, just click the gear icon and select Move from the menu. And from there you can select another sprint if you have any, or select the backlog to move it there. And that's how you add and move stories using the sprint panel in Rhythm. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.